Hey guys, I'm Jim with Marsupial Gear and I'm going to go over our new modular belt system. So what we did is create a belt system, hip pack, lumbar pack system that essentially will be modular and allow you to customize the belt to whatever type of hunting you are doing. Initially we have a couple different versions that we're going to allow you to essentially set this belt up for, and I'll explain that here with our bird bag system. So what this will do is we're having two lumbar belts that are universal MOLLE all across the back that will allow you to customize different pouches that we will make to fit your style of hunting for the activity that you're doing. And as I mentioned, the first one that I'm going to talk about is our bird bag system. So what we have are various different pouches. We have shotgun shell pouches here, a large and a small, a water bottle pocket, a small bird bag that detaches on the back of the belt. So essentially once you set it up, you are left, or you basically have a really complex bird bag. And this allows you to move the pockets around in different orientations. You can put a large shotgun shell pouch on one side, a small on another. Basically customize it to however you want. With these different accessories, you can now take all of these off and it'll open it up to use it for different accessories down the road with the same belt. Kind of like our binocular pack harness system. Essentially, once you have the generic platform to take these accessories, you can modify it and put different products on it depending on what you're doing that weekend and different styles of hunting, fishing, or other outdoor activities. So this, at a quick high-level view, is our small bird bag. It would go on the back of the belt. It takes up these 5 rows of MOLLE webbing here, and then essentially this is big enough to hold about 15 dove, 10 quail. It has snaps on the side to compress the bag to make it smaller or larger depending on how many birds you have in there. Definitely is not meant as like a pheasant or a chucker bag. You can put some of those birds in here, but it's going to fill up fairly fast depending on its size. Shotgun shell pouches. As I mentioned, we have 2 different sizes. We have a large shotgun shell pouch and a small shotgun shell pouch. The small would be ideal for 1 box of shells. The large would be ideal for 2 boxes of shells. Once again, are all customizable on what you want to put on your belt. We also have a water bottle pocket that is sized specifically for like a Nalgene 40 ounce or a Hydro Flask style bottle. You also can put 16 ounce water bottles in here, and with our bungee system, it allows you to cinch around the neck of the water bottle to keep it secure. Once again, as all of our accessories with Marsupial Gear, we use MOLLE snaps along the back that allow it to basically attach not only to our belts, but really any other hip belts on the market that utilize MOLLE webbing. In addition to these belts, once you have all these pouches on it, you can run it just as a hip pack, but we also have a yoke system that will allow you to attach that to the hip belt, and then you can have shoulder suspension in addition to the waist belt. Now with this shoulder strap yoke, we'll have other accessories that'll attach on the back, like a hydration bladder. When we have a larger bird bag that is going to be designed for pheasant and chucker, bigger birds like that, it'll attach to the top of the yoke as well. And then you can also run our shoulder strap pockets that they originally were designed for this, where you can attach those on the shoulder straps of this, and then also integrate by putting your binocular harness, clicking directly into this, eliminating the need to run a binocular harness underneath it. So just like with our pack strap kit currently for our binocular packs, you'll be able to attach that to this yoke. So basically what we've designed and built is an extremely modular platform that allows you to customize your system to however you like to hunt. So if you don't like hunting without a yoke, don't buy the yoke and don't put it on. If you really like the shoulder suspension, you can add that. Basically tailor it to exactly your hunting needs. We are offering it right now in just coyote brown and ranger green for the main colors. The Upland system, the bird bag system, will also offer accessories in a blaze orange for high visibility. Once again, the yoke will have that too. But for everything else, it's going to be ranger green and coyote brown to start. This is going to open up a platform for us to introduce additional pockets and accessories down the road, whether that be for hiking, biking, any outdoor activity, fishing, you name it. This is going to be the platform that we're going to be able to build off of. So once you invest in the Marsupial Gear products, you essentially can keep building on that platform and modifying it as your activities expand. So just want to give you a quick overview of our new modular belt system. This is just a high-level view. We'll go into more details down the road, but this is a quick overview of our bird bag system. shotgun shell pouches, small bird bag, water bottle pocket, and then the yoke, and then essentially what that opens up for opportunities down the road to build off of that. So make sure you check it out at marsupialgear.com.